Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: quad seating, anti-lock braking system, Bose sound system, traction control, XM satellite radio, heated seats, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, navigation system. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.